In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful guide on how to download and install Google Photos and how to pin it to the taskbar here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to navigate at the bottom search bar, type for Chrome. Once you've typed it, the best match should appear. Please click on Open to continue. So wait until you would be navigated to the Google Chrome itself before we continue to the steps. Once you're here, please navigate at the upper right side of that. You can see an icon like this. Click on it to see the featured Google Apps. Here, you need to scroll down and locate for Photos. I can see it here next to Translate. Please click on it so that you would be redirected to the Google Photos. So you would be able to be redirected to the Google Photos where you can see photos, updates, albums, documents, favorites, places, videos, and more that any of the collections that you are going to place here will be seen in the Google Photos. And if you would like to install that in your Windows 11 PC or laptop, then let me just click on continue. Okay, let me just click on allow. All you need to do is you need to proceed at the upper right side of that. You can see there are three dots. Please scroll down and navigate your cursor to cast, save, and share. The moment you do it, you would be able to open up this kind of window. Please click on install page ads application. And in that few moment, you would be able to see this kind of window. Please click on install. So wait until this kind of window would appear, which is your Google Photos, meaning you have successfully installed it. So by that, close the window. And if you would look at the desktop, you can see it here. Okay, and you would also be receiving a notification where your machine would ask you if you would like to pin Google Photos to taskbar. You can click on yes if you would like to, or you can simply decline the offer by clicking on no thanks. Another way on how to pin it is that you need to make a right click here and take Google Photos and please proceed to the last option, which is show more options, and click on the pin to taskbar. In that way, you would be able to pin that here at the taskbar. So you can simply tap that here at the taskbar for easy access. So that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.